Penguin Car Rental is conveniently located at the airport, right next to the arrivals exit. One of our agents will welcome you and take you to your car straight away. Using a modern tablet, we make the process easy and streamlined for you. Within minutes, you will be connecting your phone and starting your journey. Our brand new and spacious cars offer you the best driving experience on the island. Enjoy your newfound freedom and explore our beautiful island. No need to worry. Penguin Car Rental will take you to your destination. So you can focus on what's really important. Have a sip of that tropical cocktail and enjoy your moment to the fullest. Now that's the Penguin Car Rental experience.